In this video, I will show you how to turn on or off Samsung Voice Access. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe or click the follow button to be updated with our latest upload. This is a great accessibility feature that allows you to control your Samsung device using your voice. You can use it to navigate your device, open apps, enter text, and more. To use Samsung Voice Access, you first need to turn it on. You can do this by going to Settings, go to Accessibility, click Interaction and Dexterity, tap on Voice Access. If it's not available on your device, you need to download and install it first. Now turn on this toggle to turn it on. Click Allow. Once Voice Access is turned on, you can see a shortcut icon on the button. When you tap on it, it will activate the Voice Access. You can see it in your notification panel. Now tap to start the Voice Access. You can say, Open Settings, then it will open Settings right away. Let's try to navigate back to our home screen by saying, Home Screen. Then it will take you to the home screen. You can tap this accessibility icon again to turn off Voice Access. Samsung Voice Access is a great way to control your Samsung device if you have difficulty using your hands. For more how-to tutorials, please subscribe or click other videos to keep on watching.